Hey guys, welcome or hello, I'm Haven, and today's video is going to be a DIY Starbucks candle. So let's go ahead and get on to the video. Okay, so here's what you'll be needing for this DIY. A pot, a hot glue gun, a mixing tool, a fragrance oil of your choice, a clothespin, a glass bowl, a white or just a neutral colored candle, a brown crayon, and your Starbucks jar. So let's go ahead and get on to this video. The first thing you're gonna do is fill your pot with water, then go ahead and boil it. Once it starts to boil, place the candle carefully into the water. Boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, lower the heat and start pushing your candle down so that it speeds up the process. Once it's like this, carefully try to remove the wick. Clean your wick and add a dab of hot glue and glue to the bottom of the jar. Use a butter knife to help you push it down in place. It should look like this. Next, put the clothespin in place to keep the wick in the center. I noticed I needed more wax, so I scooped some out from another candle. It's really easy to scoop out. Once it's a liquid consistency, add your fragrance and half a crayon. At this time, you can actually turn off the stove. Mix, mix, mix. I'm using a popsicle stick. Remove your candle with the mitten. Careful, it's hot. And if you want to pour directly into your candle jar, you can. If not, use something with a spout or a funnel. Don't worry about that dark color. Once it dries up, it will lighten up. If you have a candle without a jar, you can use this next method. I went ahead and already cut my candle into little slices. And also, what you're going to be needing from that candle is the wick. Make sure to not throw this away because we're going to be needing this to make the candle. Boil your wax for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's liquid form, go ahead and add half of your color. Mix, mix, mix. Add a dash of fragrance, and it should look like this. Then pour it into your jar. After 3 to 4 hours, it should look like this. I'm comparing it to the real drink. Now you can cut your wick. Now you can light up your candle or give this as a gift to a Starbucks lover. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Okay, bye!